Welcome. In this video, we're going to guide you through the updated process of changing Facebook accounts on your Android device. If you're looking to switch things up, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. First, launch the Facebook app on your Android device. Once it's open, look for the menu icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on that to access the main menu. Now, scroll down until you reach the end of the menu options. Here, you'll find the Log Out option. Go ahead and tap on Log Out. This action will sign you out of your current account, prompting you to the login screen for Facebook. After logging out, you'll have the chance to enter your credentials for the other Facebook account you wish to switch to. Simply type in your email or phone number, followed by your password, and hit Login. Alternatively, if you've previously logged into multiple accounts, you might notice a Switch Account option. If that's available, just tap on it and select the account you want to switch to. It's that simple. And there you have it. Changing Facebook accounts on your Android device is a straightforward process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.